Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your instructor Sadia Hamid from Department of Chemistry. Today we will discuss about benzene and substituted benzene. We will discuss about the nomenclature of benzene, their physical properties and their structure. Benzene is the main or origin of aromatic compound. Michael Faraday discovered benzene in 1825 during the destructive distillation of vegetable oil. Hoffman isolated it from coal tar. Aromatic compounds which contain at least one aromatic ring that resemble benzenes are called aromatic compounds. In the term of aromatic, we could say aroma, which means smell. An aromatic compound can be considered to those compound which has particular smell. So that reason we could say compound which has sweet smell can be said to be aromatic, but it is not necessary that even every compound which has sweet smell could be aromatic. All the aromatic compound have some other special characteristics property that it should be planar, it has a resonance and it show electrophilic substitutions reactions. The formula of benzene is C6H6. It is a cyclic planar structure and each carbon is sp2 hybridized and bond angle is 120 degree and bond length is 1.39 angstrom. The usual structure representation for benzene is a 6-carbon ring represented by hexagon, which includes 3 double bonds. The double bonds are separated by a single bond. So we recognize the arrangement as involving conjugate double bond and alternate single and double bond. An alternative symbol used for benzene is that is a circle inside the hexagon to represent the 6 pi electron. But dear students, keep in mind that if the hexagon contains neither 3 double bonds nor the circle, the compound is not aromatic. It is a simple cyclohexane and there are 2 hydrogens on each carbon atom. In benzene, there is only one hydrogen is attached in each carbon atom and there is one double bond and then single bond and then again double bond. There is alternative double and single bond. But in cyclohexane, there is 2 hydrogen. There are 2 hydrogen attached on the each carbon atom. So this is easy to mistake when hurrying. So be careful when you are interpreting any structure formula which include hexagon. First we will discuss about the nomenclature of benzene. In nomenclature we will discuss the 2 systems, that is a common system of nomenclature and IUPAC system of naming. In the common system of nomenclatures, the following procedures are adopted for naming the benzene. First, if we have monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene, if only one substituted or any other group is present on the benzene ring. If there is only one substitution is present on the benzene ring, then the parent name is benzene and the substituent is indicated by a prefix. For example, if ethyl group is present on benzene ring, benzene contains 6 carbon and ethyl contain only 2 carbon. So we take the benzene as a parent and the substituent is indicated by a prefix. So its name is ethyl benzene. Ethyl is used as a prefix and benzene is used as a parent name. So its name is ethyl benzene. If any other group is present on the benzene ring, for example, if chlorine is present on the benzene ring, then its name is chlorobenzene. Chlorine is taken as a substituent and it is indicated by a prefix chloro and benzene is as a parent name. If bromine is present on the benzene ring, then its name is bromobenzene. Similarly, any other group is present on a benzene ring, that is a methyl, nitro, then it's is taken as a prefix and benzene is taken as a parent name. If the substituent contain more than 6 carbon, the alkane portion is named first and the aromatic ring portion is added as a suffix. For example, an aromatic ring bonded to a 8 carbon chain will be 1-phenyl octane and it is not considered the alkyl benzene. When alkyl substituent is larger than the ring, benzene contains 6 carbons. So if we have any alkyl group which contain more than 6 carbon, then in that case benzene is taken as a substituent, and when benzene is taken as a substituent, so its name is phenyl. One of the hydrogen is removed in the benzene ring, it becomes C6H5, so its name is phenyl. So here if we have alkyl chain which contain 10 carbons, so more number of carbon is present than the benzene ring which contains 6 carbon, then benzene is taken as a substituent and position is, and we start the numbering in which we take the substituent as lowest possible number. So in that case, if we start the numbering in first corner, the benzene is have position number 3, 1 2 3. In third position benzene ring is attached, so its name is 3-phenyl decane, not its name is decyl benzene. Many aromatic compounds have been known by their common or trivial name which are still used in IUPAC systems. So some of them are shown here. If we have benzene ring and methyl group is present on benzene ring, in the first structure if we have methyl group which is present on benzene ring, then its name is toluene. So in both common name and IUPAC system we use the term toluene if methyl group is present on the benzene ring. NH2 group is present on benzene ring, then its name is aniline. If CH double bond CH2 group is present, then its name is styrene. If COOH carboxylic acid group is present on benzene ring, then its name is benzoic acid. You should remember and learn all these names which are used in both common and IUPAC system. If OH group is present on benzene ring, then its name is phenol. If OCH3 group is present on benzene ring, then its name is anisole. And if NO2 group is present, nitro functional group is present on benzene ring, then its name is nitrobenzene. This is all for those compounds which are monosubstituted. When there are two substituents present on the benzene ring, their relative positions are indicated by prefix ortho, meta and para in the common system and by numbers 1, 2, 3 in IUPAC system. For example, if we have one substituent is methyl, if methyl group is present on benzene ring, and with respect to these methyl group on the position number 2, chlorine is present. So if we taking the parent name as toluene, when methyl group is present and the benzene ring, then its name is toluene. So if we take the parent name is toluene, then it should be methyl group should be in position number 1. So with respect to these methyl group, chlorine is present in second position and 1, 2 position is known as ortho and it is represented by small o. So in second position is known as ortho. In IUPAC system we use 2-chlorotoluene and in the common system we used orthochlorotoluene. 1-2 position is ortho position, 1-3 position is meta position, and 1-4 position is known as para position. If here chlorine is present in position number 3 with respect to OH group. So if we taking the parent name is phenol, phenol is taken as a parent compound, so OH is in position number 1. We start the numbering from OH group and move towards that sides in which substituent gain the lowest possible numbers. So if we start the numbering 1 2 3 in that position, that in that case in the position number 3 chlorine is present, and if we start the numbering from that side, so 1 2 3 4 fifth, the chlorine adopted the 5th position. So we start the numbering from that side in which substituent has lowest possible number. So third position is known as position is known as meta, and it is represented by small m. So its name is metachlorophenol, or 3-chlorophenol is used in IUPAC system. In the fourth position, here in the fourth position bromo group is present, and in the worst position nitro, here not OH, here the nitro group is present. In the first carbon NO2 group is present, so its name is nitrobenzene. Its name is nitrobenzene. And in the fourth position bromine group is present, so its name is para-bromo nitrobenzene. 1/4 position is known as para, and it is represented by small p. And in IUPAC system we used 4-bromo nitrobenzene. So in first case, when chlorine is present in second position, its name is orthochlorobenzene. In the second, when chlorine is present in the position number 3, then its name is metachlorophenol, if phenol group is present. And here nitro group is present, nitrobenzene is present, and the second substituent is bromine. So its name is para-bromo nitrobenzene, or the 4-bromo nitrobenzene, which is used in IUPAC system. So girls, make the corrections on your book. In the third structures, there is not OH group is present in the position number 1. When there is OH group is present in the position number 1, then its name is 4-bromophenol, not 4-bromo nitrobenzene. So here nitro group is present, NO2. So make a correction here, NO2 nitrobenzene, in the 4th position bromine is present. And it should be when there is a OH group is present, then its also name is para-bromophenol. Then we use the word phenol, not nitrobenzene. If similar substituent are present, for example, if both the methyl group are present and these methyl group are ortho with respect to each other, then its name is orthodimethylbenzene or 2-dimethylbenzene. Here if 1/3 position is present, if both methyl group are present with respect to their position is 1/3, then its name is metadimethylbenzene. And both the alkyl group is present, both the substituent are same, and with respect to 1/4 their position, then its name is para-dimethylbenzene, or 4-dimethylbenzene is used in IUPAC systems. Polysubstituted benzenes are named by numbering the substituent to ring so as to give the substituent lowest possible number. The last named substituent is assumed to be position number 1 because this is indicated by the parent chain or parent structure. This number is not indicated in their name. For example, if we have if we taking the parent is aniline. So we take aniline is a parent compound, then NH2 group is present on the benzene ring, then its name is aniline. So we take the parent compound is aniline. So it is not necessary to indicate the number of aniline or NH2. So but with respect to these NH2, we start the numbering in which the substituent gain the lowest possible numbers. So with respect to aniline, chlorine is present in position number 2, one chlorine is present in position number 2, and another chlorine is present in position number 4. So here 1 and 2 3 4. So we start the numbering from aniline and goes to that side in which substituent has lowest possible number. So chlorine, one chlorine is present on the position number 2, and second chlorine is present in the position number 4. So its name is 2 4. Both the substituent are same, then we use the word di, tri and tetra and so on. So here both the substituents are chlorine, then we use 2 4. We indicate their position and then we use the word dichloroaniline. So its name is 2 4 dichloroaniline. Here we take the parent compound is toluene. So we take the parent compound, CH3 group is present on the benzene ring, so its parent compound is toluene. So toluene CH3 should be on the position number 1, and we start the numbering. If we start the numbering in that position, that nitro group in on position number 2, and from other side nitro group also contain the position number 2. So in we take position number 2 on nitro position, second position, and third and fourth and also fifth and sixth. So its name is on the position number 2 nitro group is present, on the position number 4 nitro group is present, and position number 6 nitro group is present, and all these groups are similar, it is the nitro. So we used the word tri for nitro. So indicate their position 2 4 6 trinitrotoluene, or we use TNT, trinitrotoluene. And if two bromine group are present with respect to OH, their position is position number 2 and 6. So here parent compound is phenol. If OH group is present on the benzene ring, then its name is phenol. And two substituent are present, these two are similar substituent, and if we start the numbering on both sides, it gain the position number 2. So here it also position number 2 on the position number 2, and here also position number 2. So we start the numbering in which it get position number 2 and position number 6. So 2,6-dibromophenol, its name is 2,6-dibromophenol. If the substituent are all alike, their position are indicated by numbering the substituent in a manner so as to give the lowest number to the substituent. For example, all these substituents are alike, bromine is present. So if we start the numbering in that side, then it gain 1 2 3, the position number 1 2 3, and tribromobenzene, it is a tribromobenzene. And if we start the numbering from other side, then it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is a 165. So we should start the numbering to that side in which all the substituent again the lowest possible number, or we say the sum of all these numbers should be lowest. The sum of 1 2 3 is 6, which is lowest. If we start the numbering from other side, then the sum of 6 plus 1 plus 5 is 12. The sum of all these number should be greater. So we start the numbering from that side in which the substituent, all the substituent has lowest possible numbers. So its name is 1 3 1 2 3 tribromobenzene. Here all the substituent are same and it is a methyl. So we should start the numbering from that side of all the substituent. If we start the numbering from any side, if we start the numbering from that side, the methyl substituent 3 4 5 6, the methyl substituent has 2 3 5 6, but this is not a correct way. We start the numbering from the substituent. From if we give the methyl substituent is position number 1, then 2 3 4 5 and 6. So here 4 methyl group is present on 1 2 4 and 5 positions, and if we start the numbering from that sides, then it also contain 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So methyl group has 1 2 4 5 positions in both sides. So you should start the numbering in any side. So its name is 1 2 4 5 tetra methyl benzene. 4 methyl group is present, so we use the prefix tetra and indicated the each methyl group, position of each methyl group, that is 1 2 4 5 tetramethyl benzene. Name is 1 2 4 5 tetramethyl benzene. Some polysubstituted benzene are still known by their common name. For example, if we have 3 methyl group is present, although methyl group are similar and with respect their position is 1 3 5 trimethyl benzene, but there is some special name which is used in IUPAC and common system, that is mesitylene. So we should use the name mesitylene if 3 methyl group is present with respect to 1 3 5 positions. If 4 methyl group is present, which we have already discussed, that its name is 1 2 4 5 tetramethyl benzene, but there is also a special names for this compound which is used in IUPAC system, that is diurine. So diurine is used if 1 2 4 5 tetramethyl benzene is present, and if 2 OH group is present on the benzene ring, there should be also a special name. If only one methyl OH group is present on benzene ring, then its name is phenol. So when 2 OH group is present and with respect to matter to each other, 1 3 positions, if OH group is present on the ortho position, then their name is then this name is not used. When they are with respect to matter to each other, 1 3 positions, both phenol group, both OH group is present, then its name is resorcinol. If OH group is present on ortho or para position, then we cannot use the name resorcinol. We can use this name only when OH, both OH group is present with respect to meta each other. Here are some structure of benzene ring. You should give the suitable name of each of the following, and students, you will try to write the correct IUPAC or the suitable common name which are also used in IUPAC system, and then we will discuss in our next lecture. Physical properties of benzene. When there is no substituent is present on benzene ring, so it is behave just like a simple hydrocarbon which is a non-polar in nature. So it is low solubility, shows low solubility in the polar solvent, and it is dissolved in non-polar solvent. Due to this nature, it also has low melting and boiling point due to the weak force of attraction is present. They show some other properties when there is any other substituent is present on the benzene ring. So in the absence of any substituent, it is behave like a non-polar in nature and having low melting and boiling point. Kekulé structure of benzene. Structure of benzene contain 3 double bond which are alternate to each other. One double, one single and one double bond. Benzene has a planar cyclic conjugate structure, and we have already discussed that each carbon of benzene is sp2 hybridized. So if we draw the structure of benzene, that is alternating carbon-carbon double bond and carbon single bond, then two different Kekulé structure are possible here or obtained here. If we hear that all the bond length of carbons are similar, so these bond in the first time it should be a delocalized or conjugate double bond. So in first case, if the double bond is present in 1-2 positions, then here in the second case there is a single bond is present in 1-2 positions. This show that there is a delocalization of the double bond, that in first structures there is a pi bond is present between 1-2 positions, but in the second structures pi bond is present in 2 and 3 positions. The true structure of benzene is the resonance hybrid of these two Lewis structure, which is dash line of the hybrid indicate the position of the pi bond, and this circle shows that these pi bond are not localized between the two nuclei. These are delocalized. So these pi bond are delocalized. This is a special characteristics of benzene, that their pi bond, there is a delocalization in their pi bond which gain them extra stability. The structure with 3 double bond was proposed by Kekulé to attempt to explain that the molecule which behave like molecule which have the formula is C6H6. So here the pi bond in the circle between them shows that there is a delocalization in their pi bond. In benzene, all the carbon-carbon bonds are known to be equal length. So there are no carbon-carbon double bond and no carbon-carbon single bond. This is the best represented by the resonance hybrid of Robinson structure. But in organic chemistry, when we discussed or when we draw the mechanisms of their reaction, so we used the positions of their pi bonds and we use the curve arrow to indicate the position of the pi bond. So in that case, the Kekulé structure give a more precise descriptions of the electronic positions. So therefore, it is a good idea to use the Kekulé representation, and we will represent the benzenes just like in Kekulé structures. Molecular orbital treatment of benzene. Kekulé structure failed to explain that why benzene is less reactive, why it shows dual character. It shows addition as well as substitution reaction. It has less T-top formation and it has equal carbon-carbon bond. The ring, which is 3 double bond, fit the molecular formula of C6H6, but the structure doesn't explain the chemical behavior of benzene at all well. Each of the double bond would be expected to show the characteristics behavior of an alkene 1,3-hexatrienes and undergoes addition reaction, but this is not how benzene react. So that's why Kekulé doesn't explain all these things, that why benzene doesn't show the addition reaction, and it also the principal reaction that it show is substitution reactions. Spectroscopic studies and X-rays analysis show that benzene is a regular planar hexagon. All 6 hydrogen atoms are coplanar with 6 carbon atom and their bond angle is 120. The bond angle between carbon-carbon and between carbon and hydrogen is 120, and each carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized mean one s orbital and two p orbitals make a one hybrid orbitals, which are trigonal in structures, just shown here. So each carbon is sp2 hybridized, and in the benzene ring there are 6 carbon. So all the 6 carbon are sp2 hybridized. So combination of such 6 structures or overlap of 6 hydrogen atom produce the following sigma framework of benzene. So each pi orbital is in the position to overlap in perpendicular manner to give a continuous sheath of negative charge as shown below. So here in these structures, this is sp2 hybrid orbitals of all the 6 carbon. But each carbons, when there is sp2 hybridization, mean there is only 2 p orbital, px and py is involved in hybridization, and one unhybridized pz orbitals is left behind in each carbon. So 6 carbon is present, so 6 unhybridized p orbitals are also present in the benzene ring, which is a perpendicular to the plane. So this is here 6. These are the 6 unhybridized pz orbitals. So these pz orbitals are making the pi bond to each other. If we have carbon number 1, it make the pi bond with carbon either from carbon number 2 or carbon number 6. So it should be make the bond with the carbon number. There is a possibility it should make the bond with the carbon number 2 or carbon number 6. So these make each pi bond make each p orbital make the pi bond to another p orbital. So there is a continuous sheath of these pi orbitals. It result in extensive delocalization pi bonding which spread over all the carbon nuclei in the benzene. Delocalization of p orbitals over the entire ring produce sandwich-like structure of benzene and decrease the energy of the molecule. Since the molecule become more stable and less reactive. When their energy is lower, it's mean it is a more stable, and when it is a more stable, it is a less reactive. So according to these molecular orbital pictures, the carbon-carbon bond in benzene is consisting of full sigma and half pi bond, and that reason carbon-carbon bond length is equal, and benzene shows these substitutions as well as addition reaction. With the help of molecular orbital behavior, we conclude that benzene has a regular hexagon structure which an inscribed circle in between them, and hexagon which alternate double and single bond, and modern representation of benzenes are shown here. I hope so all these things are clear to you, dear students. This is all for today lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.